Happy birthday. So make a wish. Please accept my apologies. Wonder what would have been. Would you have been a little angel or an angel of sin? Tomboy running round, hanging with all the guys, or a little tough boy with beautiful brown eyes. I paid for the murder before they determine the sex, choosing our life over your life and your death. And you never got a chance to even open your eyes. Sometimes I wonder as a fetus if you fought for your life. Would you have been a little genius in love with math? Would you have played in your school clothes and made me mad? Would you have been a little rapper like your Papa the Piper? Would you have made me quit smoking by finding one of my lighters? I wonder about your skin tone and shape of your nose, and the way you would've laughed and talked fast and slow. Think about it every year, so I picked up a pen. Happy birthday, love you whoever you would've been. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Why you died. Other people got their own reasons for homicide. Who's to say it would've worked and who's to say it wouldn't have? I was young and struggling, but old enough to be a dad. The fear of being my father has never disappeared. Ponder it frequently while I'm sipping on my beer. My vision of a family was artificial and fake, so when it came time to create, I made a mistake. Now you got a little brother, maybe it's really you. Maybe you really forgave us knowing we was confused. Maybe every time that he smiles it's you proudly knowing that your father's doing the right thing now. I never tell a woman what to do with her body, but if she don't love children, then we can't party. Think about it every year, so I picked up a pen. Happy birthday, love you whoever you would've been. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Happy birthday. Yeah. Make a wish. From the ending to the ending, never got to begin. Maybe one day we can meet face to face in a place without time and space. Happy birthday. From the heavens to the